Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church, here with my buddy James of Brushfire Farms. Let's make Taquitos Vatos Locos.
And a frozen prickly pear vodka lemonade.
Well, welcome back to our guest pitmaster series. These are definitely the most requested videos from you guys. I'm very excited about today because this is delicious. So let me give you a little backstory. Buddy of mine, James Vives, he is Brushfire Farms. If you don't know, I own a barbecue supply shop here in Waxahachie, and everything in my shop is something that I use. They've all become friends of mine. I always say there's nothing in that store we sell just to make a nickel. I know everybody that owns the products that we sell in there. We only sell stuff that I like. So this Prickly Pear Jam is definitely how we met. Huge fan of it. Made right here in Texas. I'm gonna let him talk to you about that, but he's launching a brand new product. He came out to our shop recently and did a demo on a Saturday because we always have free barbecue and draft beer every Saturday. And what we're about to make was so popular that in the middle of the day, we were like, we gotta do a video on that. Everyone on the team's like, you need to show the world this. So that's why we're here today. So without further ado, I'm gonna bring in my buddy James to show you this really easy and delicious taco.
Yo.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
How you been?
Great, man.
Drinking the right flavor, so
Cheers.
come on up. Tell us a little bit about you and then tell us what this delicious creation is.
Well, Brushfire Farms started it back in 2018 in San Antonio, and we are proud to be sourcing only Texas-sourced prickly pear from South Texas. We've grown by quite a bit since then. Originally picked it all off my family's ranch, and now we work with a network of ranches down in South Texas, and we're gonna stick true to our name and quality in a bottle or jar.
For people maybe not in Texas or even in Texas, what is a prickly pear? Some people may not know.
So a prickly pear is actually a berry. It's a big fruit that grows on a cactus, and our spot in South Texas, they're the best of the best. They can grow all throughout the Southwest, but what we have there is creme de la creme, the Taj Mahal quality of a prickly pear.
I love it. Well, you know I love your prickly pear jam, and I've had this brand new sauce, but this recipe is going to feature your brand new prickly pear barbecue sauce, which we're the first store to carry it.
Gotta be, brother. Yeah, so I mean, it's basically my take on, I love a good Central Texas vinegar-based barbecue sauce. I love Carolina mustard sauce. We wanted to do our South Texas spin on it with our hand-picked prickly pear to give it a really bright, vibrant, tangy, crazy new flavor to the barbecue industry as a whole. I mean, from pork, beef, chicken, seafood, veggies, you name it, it's killer. I'm honored to have it in your store first, and we hope everyone else is gonna love it.
I'm excited, all things Texas here. Well, this is a pulled pork taco, so we've actually made some pork. So why don't you talk about how you make your pork while I pull that out of the smoker?
It's as easy as it gets, man. We're cooking at 250, no binder, no nada. Season it with Meat Church Gospel. Cook till tender, let cool, pull, that's it.
Well, we thought we would speed this up, so we cooked one already and we just shredded it off camera. So I know you put some deliciousness on here, but where do you go from here?
So from here, all we wanna do, right, with our brand new barbecue sauce, per one pork butt, we're gonna wanna put one whole bottle mixed into it, right? And that is literally all there is to it.
Perfect.
So boom, boom, boom.
This stuff is super good.
It's killer.
It's unique. That's what. So the thing about this video, it's gonna be like all things Texas, all Texan products here. We've been wearing Texas-made poncho shirts. I really love this whole South Texas spin. I tell people if I wasn't born in the Southeast and didn't cook comfort food, this would be all I cook right here.
Yes, sir.
Lee, that looks good.
I mean, this stuff works phenomenally well with pork. It's killer on beef, chicken, seafood, veggies, you name it. It does not suck. Boom, ready to rock. That's it.
Awesome. All right, so I'm gonna set this aside and tell us the composition of this taco, because I know we gotta make some other stuff.
Yep, so Taquitos Vatos Locos, right? Remember your rager of a block party earlier this spring?
Oh yeah, the Meat Church block party. That was fun.
That was a hell of a lot of fun. So when y'all invited us back this year, I'm trying to think of what we're gonna make, and I wanted to put our South Texas spin on a taco, and I thought of the name Taquitos Vatos Locos, which for those of y'all who aren't familiar with the cult classic Chicano gangland cinematic masterpiece known as Blood In, Blood Out.
Cinematic masterpiece.
I mean, because it is. Yeah, Taquitos Vatos Locos was born, and here we are today, and you know, we're out there slamming these tacos to that massive, massive crowd that was there, and was super grateful for all the help. We're there serving them, and I've never put a pepper jam on a taco in my entire life, and we're there, big line to our booth, and this old timer from East Texas starts talking to me about squirrel hunting and whatnot, and I hand him a taco, and he says, hey, can you put some of your prickly pear pepper jam on that? Customer's always right. I should have said, sure, you got it. And unfortunately, I said, why would you want to do that? And he looks at me and goes, why not? And I went, all right, man, you got it. Everyone for the rest of the day put jam on the taco. Whoever you are, if you see this video, Senor from Beaumont talking squirrel hunting that revolutionized the pepper jam taco, muchas gracias.
Let's go. All right. So we got to make the slaw, right? We're going to make the dressing and slaw.
Yeah, super easy, right? So we've already run all of our veggies through a mandolin. Highly recommend a mandolin. We don't want the bagged BS from a store. This is definitely worth it. We've got 2 cups each of green cabbage and red cabbage, right? We're putting that in there. Then we've got 2 whole green onions that are fine chopped. Boom, in there as well. We've got 1 whole jalapeno that we de-stemmed and took the seeds out of. If you want a little more zip, you can leave that in. Boom. 2 tablespoons of cilantro. And that's literally it for the veg. Cool?
Yeah.
Awesome. So then for the dressing, we're gonna have 1 cup of Duke's mayo. Duke's mayo for life.
Believe in that. Recipe below always leads you to meatchurch.com if you ever have questions about these amounts or what they are.
Yep. Then after that, we've got 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna need to whisk this together real quick. And to really kick it up, just un poco más. We're gonna mix that together, and I mean, to really take it over the edge, we gotta throw some Blanco in there, right?
Oh, I like your style.
Let's get it. Okay. Boom.
Are you bilingual?
Sí, se puede.
Texas Tech alum.
Rectum.
Spanish major.
Spanish major, Spanish descent. Yes, sir. And that's it, right? So we've got all this here.
Okay.
Boom. All we're doing, and I gotta stress here, so this is plenty of dressing for this amount of veggie, right? I just like to light coat these veggies. We don't wanna use all of this dressing. I'm gonna say maybe half, maybe a little less even, but just combine and check it out as we go.
So it's kind of just like do like as wet as you like it, your preference.
Yep,
like if
there
this
you
was a salad, my wife would want 2 bowls of ranch on it. Some
there you
people
go.
like try to be more healthy.
And really, for me, man, preference-wise, I don't know how that looks to you. That's perfect for me. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's like, it's nice and wet.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's like thoroughly, and there's a ton of this left over. And I can tell that's gonna be delicious.
Yeah,
Okay.
really good.
So now we need to toast corn tortillas, right?
Correct.
All right,
Yeah.
let's do that. We're gonna go grab our skillet and toast some tortillas.
Cool.
Got your pretty little skillet here. Let's toast some tortillas.
So I prefer these mini taqueria sized tortillas from Guerrero. Awesome brand. You can get them in Target, Walmart, anywhere. All we're gonna do is just get a quick little color on them. Boom. Do that one there. Right here.
I love a corn tortilla.
And while that one's toasting up, so we're gonna start making these tacos, right?
Do it.
So, woof, híjole way, component numero uno.
Come on, try that.
Get after it, boy. We're doing that pulled pork,
That's so good.
right? It works really well with that prickly pear barbecue sauce, doesn't it? Next up, we're putting a little bit of a Tex-Mex slaw on top. Then, quite possibly, the best pickled red onions of all time, y'all's recipe that I believe you can get on your Meat Church website.
Meatchurch.com.
Boom.
Look how pretty red those are.
Right? Little bit of cotija cheese. Yeah. Love that, what I call the Mexican Parmesan. And then, credit to the Davy Crockett of squirrel hunting from East Texas. Dollop of pear burner.
Man, that's pretty.
If that isn't Texas on a street taco, brother, I don't know what is. So we're gonna rinse and repeat. Uno más time. And these are different. Believe it or not, man, these are really, really, really easy to do. Yeah, there's a few different things going on these, but I promise y'all, you do them for tailgating, party, whatever, you name it. And if you can find a better street taco than that, I will mow your lawn till Christmas, because you can't. It's as good as it gets.
I love it, man. I'm telling you, this thing's pure Texas. Speaking of, I'm not gonna turn this off. I'm not gonna let us jump in yet. We gotta have a drink. And
Gots to.
I don't know if the people at home know this, but you make killer cocktails with your products, which we have put on our social media for years, so I got a little something. Mm-hmm. We're gonna make one real quick.
Let's get it.
For the people at home. All right, tell us what we're making.
Frozen prickly pear vodka lemonade. It is hotter than hell right now in Texas, and if this doesn't cool you all off, we don't know what will. It's crazy easy to make with our prickly pear simple syrup. It's got Tito's vodka, Minute Maid limeade, some raspberry lemonade, and our prickly pear syrup, and that's it. It's crazy easy to make and awesome to beat the heat in Texas right now.
Let's do it.
Cool. Then we're gonna need 3 shots of Tito's.
Measure with your heart.
Oh yeah, always. Only way to do it. Okay. 2 shots of raspberry lemonade.
Pick this up at our local HEB.
Yep. Then we're doing 2 tablespoons of that prickly syrup.
This stuff makes drinks pretty, I'll say that. You know, we made your ranch water, beautiful.
Mira, there you go.
Hey.
And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of Minute Maid limeade mix. And that's it. 4 ingredients in a blender, party on. Okay. Do the honors.
Looks good. Well, I'm excited for this. It is so hot here. I spent a lot of my summer in Florida and I had an ocean to get in. I don't have that here. So, God, that's pretty. All your drinks with your simple syrup are like beautiful.
It's that South Texas prickly pear, brother. You cannot beat that quality. Throw a little lime on it.
Look at that.
That's all she wrote on that.
Cheers.
Salute.
Dude, that is like wildly refreshing, and the fact that there's alcohol in there and I can't tell. I wish I knew how to make this in college.
Damn, probably better you didn't. Side note, Recom Tech.
Let's get on to the star of the show. I want to say before we try this, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
I've never had jam on a taco.
Yeah, you and me both. Cheers.
There we go. That jam on it makes it.
That prickly pear barbecue sauce sure helps, but yeah, I mean, that jam.
Seriously, this is all like balanced. Like, I'm a corn tortilla guy. Grew up on pulled pork. This is not the pulled pork you would expect with your sauce. It is so, so, so good. That is, your sauce has jumped in there on my list of favorite barbecue sauces, and I'm not just saying that.
Cheers, brother. Man,
it is so good. And that slaw like gives it a good little crunch element. Beautiful with the pickled red onions.
Damn good, man.
That is insanely good. And the cool thing about it, that was like crazy easy to make. Like, anybody can do that.
It ain't rocket science. It's really not. All the flavors work really well together. We hope y'all give it a try and love it.
And I'm not afraid to tell you this. We are known to try to help other small businesses. We've been blessed to build a big platform, and we've seen a huge difference because of you guys. The congregation comes in and goes to their websites. Yes, you're gonna pay postage. I hate to break it to you. Amazon postage isn't free. But I think Amazon has made people think that postage is free. So this is small family business. Their URL will be down below in the description. You obviously can come to Meat Church Barbecue Supply and buy every bit of this, but by all means, go directly to them, support them. Call HEB and be like, get all these products in HEB because it is delicious. We're proud to support other small family-owned businesses. This thing, Pure Texas, this has made me the most happy of something we've done in a very long time. So I can't thank you enough for being here and teaching me the ways of this.
Right back at you, man. We are forever grateful for your support, the Meat Church crews and congregation support. Love y'all to death, man. Cheers, and just thank you for being a genuine human being, man.
Well, thank you very much.
From the bottom of my heart.
Be sure to go back and check out Pear Burner Wings that he created with his products. That was a while back. I forgot to mention that earlier. Dude, I know your hand's messy. I don't care. Thank you for coming.
Hey, brother. Thank you,
Okay,
man.
like
Thank
and
you for having me.
subscribe, and come back next week. See y'all then. Make these and make these.
Cheers.